In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create variation listings on eBay. If you sell products that come in different options, like sizes, colors, styles, or other choices, variation listings are a great way to keep everything organized under one single eBay listing. Instead of creating separate listings for each option, you can group them together so buyers can simply choose what they want from a drop-down or selection menu. This makes your listing cleaner and often easier for customers to shop. To get started, go to eBay and click on Sell. This will take you into the seller area where you can manage your listings and drafts. From there, click on Drafts. If you already have a listing in progress, this is where you can open it and continue editing. Working from a draft is helpful because it allows you to build and adjust the listing before publishing it. Once you're inside the draft, go to the Variations section. This is where you'll set up the different options available for the item. In this area, select the variations you want to offer. For example, if your product comes in multiple sizes or colors, this is where you choose those attributes. Be sure to select the variation types that match the product accurately because this helps buyers find exactly what they need and reduces confusion later. After selecting the variations, click Continue. This moves you to the next stage of the listing setup, where you can begin adding the specific content connected to those variation options. At this point, eBay is preparing the listing structure so each option can be associated correctly. Next, click Upload from Computer. This is typically used when you want to add images for your product directly from your device. Clear, high-quality photos are especially important for variation listings because buyers may rely on the images to distinguish one option from another. If the variations look different, it's a good idea to make sure the images reflect those differences as clearly as possible. Once everything has been added and you've reviewed the setup, click Save and Close. This allows you to keep your progress without needing to finish every detail in one sitting. It's a useful step if you want to come back later and double check the listing before publishing. That's how to create variation listings on eBay. As a final tip, always review your variation choices carefully before going live, since accurate setup helps prevent buyer mistakes and makes your listing more professional. With the variations added properly, your eBay listing will be easier to manage and easier for customers to shop.